if you go in the Bay Area and you talk to a lot of startups now, which of course there's always Bay Area startups that will say ridiculous things that don't pan out, but there's a lot of Bay Area startups now that are saying product managers are dead. Everybody's just a product engineer, and the leaders are the strongest product engineers, and everyone's writing code, and everyone's influencing product, and everyone's talking to customers. But then you can also talk to scaled tech companies who are saying, oh, well, because of AI, product managers are more important. And it's actually because the product manager can now do actual prototyping, and they can be more involved on more surfaces of the product, and they can scale better. And so we actually have like a more product management centric. Either way, both arguments are threatening the traditional triad. And I guess you and I are like sort of biased as people who are product people. We want to be like, but product management is important. What is your initial take so far on how that role has been changing at Zapier, if it even is yet?
I think it's helpful to distinguish between the role and the capability. It feels very obvious to me that the capability isn't going anywhere. The idea that you have to deeply understand your customer, make a bunch of hard trade-offs and prioritization calls, think deeply about the strategy that you're building towards, that is more present than ever, because what is going to differentiate you from anyone else isn't that you can write code or that you can write code faster, because it turns out everybody can write code now and everybody can write it faster. So I think the thing that really differentiates is going to be, can you think deeply about a product strategy that is going to win? And so that capability isn't going to go anywhere. Now, if that capability is combined with other roles, like maybe a designer who can deeply think about the strategy, or an engineer who can deeply think about strategy, then honestly, the less handoffs you have, the faster you're going to be able to move and the easier it's going to be. And so I do think there is sort of like a collapsing of roles. Our capability bar has all raised. We're able to be capable, not experts in all the things. We're going to be able to move a lot quicker. That's how the framework I think about it is like, what are the capabilities you need on a team and how are those encompassed, even if it means one person maybe takes on multiple roles?